Welcome to Copy4Xpert, the Forex experts, featuring Will Simpson, our head trader presenting the...
Welcome to the video. So some exciting news today regarding two new custom built trading dashboards that I have built, coded. First one is the MacD Divergence dashboard, which you can see in front of you. And the second one is the ultimate high-low trading dashboard. Okay, so before we actually get into the video, and what I'm going to do in this video is basically show you how these indicators work, how you can use them, and then I'll also share with you how you can access these two powerful indicators towards the end of the video. Okay, so the first one is the MacD Divergence dashboard. Okay, so MacD Divergence is probably one of the most powerful divergence signals you can get, both classic and hidden. It is my main entry signal for either when I'm scalping lower time frames, intraday time frames, or higher time frame swing trades. My main signal is the MacD Divergence. Okay, what this indicator does, the dashboard does, it displays in front of you all the assets on one simple chart. Okay, so instead of loading all your charts, flicking through, waiting for a divergence signal to happen, this the dashboard will instantly show you what signals are happening on what time frames, on what assets. Okay, the last signal that happened, and all you have to do is click on the, so you can see British pound, Japanese yen. This was actually a signal I just gave in my signal group. You can see we've got a 1 hour selling divergence. Okay, here after, and you can see we're right at a bit of resistance here. Okay, intraday resistance, price comes up, tests the high, we get a MacD divergence signal off the dashboard. Good time to sell and enter the trade. Okay, so that's C means classic, so that's an example of a classic divergence. H means hitting divergence or continuation divergence. Okay, these are good for, the H ones are good for trend continuation trades if you're a trend trader. Okay, C is classic reversal trader, and that is the ones that I mostly trade, reversal. Like I said, if you're a trend trader, you can trade the H, so it's pretty unique, pretty powerful, saves a lot of time, saves you flicking through a lot of time frames. You just simply have the dashboard loaded on the chart, and it'll tell you the latest divergence on the time frame and on the asset. You can see here in the USD CAD, this is also a trade that I've just give in my signal service. It is a buy trade. Okay, I'm looking to buy this today. Okay, we've had this huge drop down. We're just entered my trading zone here. Okay, where I'm looking at, I've flicked over onto the charts. I've got a divergence signal on 2 time frames. Okay, so this is a very strong classic bullish divergence. We're at a key area on the chart where I'd be looking to buy. Okay, the reason being swing high, swing low, new swing high. So this is an area that caused a new swing high after the break of this trend. So I'll be looking to buy inside this area, and the divergence signals on the dashboard is confirming that trade entry for me. So very nice one there. Aussie USD. Okay, it is giving me a sell signal at the minute. We'll just flick over and see what we're looking at here. Okay. See, the market has broken out of this long-term divergence, or long-term, not divergence, long-term trend here in the daily charts. We're coming back up. Would I look to sell this here? I probably would. It's at this breakout area here of this last low of the accumulation period on the daily chart here. Okay, swing low, swing high, so it's at this low here. So this is likely to be a nice selling opportunity. Of course, the divergence signals two we're getting, so this is a nice intraday trade on the 15-minute and 30-minute chart. Okay, very Again, powerful tool. The settings on it. Okay, we'll go to the dashboard settings. Okay, so up here, obviously you put in your symbol, the symbols you want to put in, the font size, it's just the text size. Okay, template. Okay, so it's got a template feature. Whatever type of trading template you have, you'll just stick in the name of your template there, and when you click on the asset, it will load that template up onto the chart. You can also select which type of divergence you want to see. If you just want to see classic, just select there. If you just want to see hidden, just select hidden. Down here you can select the time frames you want to see. You can select them all, or if you only want to see divergence signals on certain time frames, just select 3. Okay, so that's the MacD Divergence dashboard. Very, very powerful tool. Saves you a lot of time. Okay, especially if you're a member of the Signal service. Now, at the minute, the only way to access the dashboard is to join the Signal service. And if you join service, you'll actually get this dashboard included in your account. If you just join the basic plan, you will get this included in your plan, absolutely free if you join us today. Also, you get the other free cool bonuses with that, with the basic plan, and that is the MacD Divergence. That's how to access that free. Okay, on to the second indicator, which is the ultimate high-low dashboard. Okay, so I'm just going to flick this over to how I use this. I like to sell the highs and buy the lows. Okay, I use this in conjunction with the MacD dashboard, and you'll see it in a minute. Okay, so you can see here on what this indicator does. It gives you the distance from all the previous daily, weekly, and monthly highs and lows. Okay, like I said, I like to sell the highs within a certain distance. Okay, like I said, there a trade I was looking at there was the Aussie USD. The dashboard, the actual MacD dashboard, is giving me a sell signal. Okay, it's giving me a sell signal at these highs, at the previous daily high. It's also not far off last week's high also. So this is all telling me that this is a good trade for a reversal move. Okay, and another one earlier on was on the British pound, Japanese yen. It's actually dropped 50 pips. It was up here earlier on. Okay, so that was a nice signal there. So USD CAD. You can see the USD CAD is past the low of yesterday. Okay, like I said, I like to, and it's at last week's, not way off last week's low, but it's at yesterday's daily low. It's went down below it, minus 21 pips. So I'd be looking to buy this, and you can see I've got two divergence signals in conjunction with at this low. Okay, I showed you a minute ago why I was looking to trade that. So this is a really nice setup for a buying opportunity. Okay, also you can use this to trade breakouts. If you like to trade the breakouts of the highs, you can use that with hidden divergence or classic divergence on the dashboard also. Again, if you just want to use this on yourself, it's good for trend direction. It gives you the trend strength. You can see obviously across all dashboards over the previous month, gold is well above last month's high and the previous month low. No, it's 800 pips to last month high, and it's 600 pips below above last month's low. Okay, so very, very powerful. And each time frame you can put them in order if you want to see that at the top or the or the bottom. Okay, each weekly. Very, very powerful tool. The settings in this are the distance where it starts turning red from the zone. Okay, so if it goes above the daily high or daily low or the weekly low, weekly high, it will start flashing and start changing color. Okay, so indicating that possible buying or selling opportunity. You can change the colors here. Say you want to buy the highs, you trade the low color. Sorry, sell the lows. You will change that to red. If you want to buy the highs, you'll change that to green. and vice versa. Okay, so highs and lows of weekly highs, monthly lows and highs. Sorry, lows and highs, or highs and lows, getting mixed up there. They are very, very powerful trading areas on the charts. You can get really, really good setups from these areas. Dashboard takes a lot of the work out, going on your charts and trying to point out the highs and lows where they are. This simply indicates straight away where you are, the distance from where you are from the previous day, highs and lows. If you're intraday trading, you can use in conjunction with the MacD dashboard to look for perfect signals, like I've just shown you two here. They're happening now at the minute on the Aussie USD and the USD CAD. Okay, so two very, very powerful indicators. Saves you a lot of time and will bag you a lot of pips. So if you want to access the ultimate high-low indicator, okay, what you'll need to do, and the MacD divergence indicator, if you want to access them both free, is simply sign up to the yearly signal plan. So you'll get both them indicators free, plus you get all the other bonuses included in that offer if you sign up. Okay, so that's the offer, that's the plan. At the minute, these two indicators are not for sale separately. In the future, maybe, but at the minute, the only way to access them is to join our signal service. And the reason I want you to do that is I want you to see the results you'll get with the signal service, plus using these indicators in conjunction with them to maximize your profits, just to show you the value that you will get by joining us. So looking forward to seeing you in the service. Simply click the link below to sign up. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you soon.